So this drawing I go to a little more depth. Okay. So this is the eyes line. So you can go at the eyes. Basically, eyes is very small. Upper eyelash. Some normal man. This is the main things. The Japanese and Korean and China the same. This more floppy kind of oval kind of this part. This part is more. I eyebrow is not that much visible because the old, not much old, but it's old person. So almost not visible that eye because this Chinese eye is very small. Here is a nose is a very fact. Nose, Chinese nose is not long. It's very like this. That much part is the nose. Here you can make one circle. Like this. Creating like this. Here some wrinkles, little bit of, not much wrinkles. So I just create the expression. You tell me that the expression also you want to learn. I make some old expression. The saddy thaka hua, like a triad. This lower leaves I make it little outside, like this. Okay, you can make it like this. And this very small, the chin parts. I make like that. Okay. So here I can make some, creating some shading to show the skin is more old. Like this. You can study this portrait. Like this. You can make some little shading over here. Like this. So this line, you know that circle, here the position of ear, right? Second position to the ear, like this. So all things is very, very, maintain the grammar, this anatomy. You see here the skull, the same. I can put the skull over here. I share you the same things here because skull is not changing. Only the skin is changed. The cell is changing. the old man. So, and this normal man is so struggling. So that's why this line is coming very like this. You can see the bone also somewhere. Some settings like this. Here we can apply this cap. We are making it a little more bigger. Basically, China is a very hot, uh, mainly this Registan also is their desert. So they are using this cap for the safe from the sunlight. It is a little bigger. So I just make it a little more bigger. I can create some depth over here, like this depth. And for this cap, here also the shadow. Here also you can create in the shadow. Diffuse lights. This evening time lights. You can put some here. Source of light coming from this side. So this area is little light and this area is very dark. This area more dark. Understand, Alpavita? We'll just create some more wrinkles and shading over here. It looks more aged person. It's almost shadow, very less lights over here. Here's light. Here's a dark tone. This drawing I shadow more detailing, so you can understand that. I put some more depth shadow, cast shadow. When you put this cast shadow, then it looks more realistic. This area is opposite of light, so it is coming shadow. This part is basically shadow. You can understand that nerves. Play with the light and shades, and then it's really coming very. Can I wait 2 minutes or okay? Continue. Wait. Okay. Continue. Yeah. You can put some more depth over here. So shadow, dark shadow. You can put some dark shadow. So it's coming more. Okay. While you put the dark shadow, while you are putting the shadow, it is very important here. Is it more dark shadow because it is opposite of light. This area basically completely opposite of light, so it's more dark. Now can start little bit of this part. This is the opposite of light. This part is the light because this light heat over here. This lips, lower lips, but this is a down, so this part is dark as well. This part also down. Light come here. This part is also dark. You can make it more dark over here. Okay. Slowly put the depth.